What's the best fencing option for coastal Sydney homes? In this video, we'll break down the best materials for beachside properties and explain why aluminium fencing has become one of the most popular choices across Sydney's eastern suburbs. Homes located near the ocean experience far more environmental stress than inland properties. Salt carried through the air settles on outdoor surfaces and accelerates corrosion. This can lead to rust, peeling paint, structural weakening, rotting timber, and constant repairs. This is why choosing the right fencing material is so important for homes in areas like Bondi, Coogee, Clovelly, Maroubra, and Vaucluse. Aluminium fencing has become one of the best long-term solutions for coastal properties. Unlike traditional steel, aluminium naturally resists rust and corrosion. When combined with a high-quality powder-coated finish, it becomes highly durable in harsh coastal environments. Homeowners also love aluminium fencing because it is low maintenance, modern and stylish, long-lasting, lightweight yet strong, and available in many colors and designs. One of the biggest advantages of aluminium fencing is its design flexibility. Popular options for coastal Sydney homes include aluminium slat fencing for privacy and modern street appeal, vertical slat fencing for luxury architectural homes, pull fencing that maintains views while improving safety, and privacy screens that create comfortable outdoor living spaces. These styles are especially popular throughout the eastern suburbs because they complement modern coastal architecture perfectly. Unlike timber fencing, aluminium doesn't require regular repainting, staining, or sealing. Most coastal homeowners simply clean the fence occasionally to remove salt residue. That means less maintenance, lower long-term costs, and more time enjoying your outdoor space. The best fence for your home depends on several factors. Things like wind exposure, privacy needs, architectural style, pool compliance, and desired street appeal. A professionally designed aluminium fencing solution can be customized to suit your property and coastal environment. If you're planning a fencing upgrade for your coastal Sydney home, choosing the right material can save you years of maintenance and costly repairs. Aluminium fencing offers the perfect combination of durability, modern style, and long-term performance for beachside properties. If you're located in Bondi, Coogee, Maroubra, Vaucluse, Rose Bay, or surrounding eastern Sydney suburbs, Aluminium Fencing Sydney can help you find the right solution for your home. Visit the Aluminium Fencing Sydney website today to explore fencing styles, privacy screens, gates, and pull fencing options. Or contact the team for a free quote and expert advice tailored to your property. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with your fencing questions, and share this video with anyone planning a coastal home upgrade.